Hi Weird for Beauty friends. Be sure to subscribe and like and all those things wherever you're watching this video. Today I'm going to show you my Ipsy bag for July 2018 and I'm super excited about it. And I don't know what's in my bag this time, so it's going to be a surprise. It's super fun because each month you get a little bag like this. And this month it's a really pretty bluish sparkly bag, perfect for summer. They're always about the same size. I like when the material's like this where you can just scrunch it up and like carry it and like take it to the club. Okay. I also love how it's like this cute little white zipper with the logo this time. Okay, so I'm just gonna reach in and get out something. Here we have, I love the brand Ofra. We have an eyeshadow in Millennium Gold. Perfect. Looks like a nice sample. I'll just put a little extra on my already gold eyelids there. Oh, why not? Yes. I love these kind of like gold highlightery eyeshadows and highlighters. I use them as highlighter, as eyeshadow. Like, to me, they're often interchangeable. Here we have H2O Oasis Ultra Hydrating Cream. I've actually used this before and it's really good. H2O is a great brand with like good calming moisturizers, so this one's really fun. Brushes. This is a nice, we've got a tapered blending brush here. Let's blend our eyeshadows. I have customized my Ipsy bag over the months, so now they know that I like to receive certain things, and so the more you subscribe to it, the more you can customize it. Oh, and it's only $10 a month. Here is Apto Healing Turmeric Mask. This is a really lovely looking face mask and it has some really cool ingredients in it. Not just the turmeric, it has salicylic acid, which helps exfoliate and prevent acne. It has zinc, it has squalane, which is a great moisturizing oil, arginine, aloe, and a whole bunch of other great stuff. So I'm excited to try this, and I've never heard of this company before. My final product in the bag is a lip liner from Lord & Berry, and this is really interesting. It's kind of orange. Let's take a look. Wow, super pigmented, kind of orangey red. I'm excited to try that out. Well, thank you for checking out my Ipsy bag this month, and please remember to like and subscribe and share and all that stuff. Bye-bye.